like people to honestly be honored and willing to celebrate this new year and this year of new beginning. I think it's also important that we pay tribute to some other not so exciting issues that happen in our world. Racism, hate crimes, and of course right now our hearts go out to everybody with the war that's going on in Ukraine. All of our hearts and minds need to be on the people over there as well.
February 1st was the start of Lunar New Year, but February 1st is also African American Heritage Month. We want to show solidarity between the Asian American community and the African American community. So what's new about this year is that we increase our number of cities that we're going to be visiting from like 5 to over 10. We have 5 mayors from the different city meeting us in front of City Hall. And this year, of the four of the city will have their own Lunar New Year celebration in conjunction with our Lunar New Year parade. So this year, we're really honored that we have 20 cars from the Boston Asian Car Club. So they have some really incredible cars. And of course, we're really happy to have a Hangun, the God of Fortune, who will bring happy cheers and spread good fortune around the greater Boston area. And we want to wish the best to the communities around the greater Boston area. Thank you so much. Enjoy the parade.